In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix DLL files missing in Windows 11 and how we can fix this if you're having this particular trouble. This is happening for many users right now and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here in the Windows icon. You have to right click. Now we have these options and from here you have to go to the first one, that is terminal over here. Now what you need to do is we have to copy and paste a command. So I'll be given this in the video description. Just copy and paste the command. Now you have to copy and paste the command. Then what you need to do is you have to just press enter. Once done, you have to check. And this is the first and foremost step. And also parallelly, we have one more thing that is all about. If we show you that, just let me go over here once again. Go for yes. So copy and paste this command. Then what you need to do is you have to press enter. Then after this is successfully done, we have to done one more thing. That is all about we have to write one more command. So this has to be successfully done. Then only, so this is going to take a bit of time. Once this particular command is done, we have to type another one that called SFC scan now. So I'll do one thing. Let this get processed in between. I'll show you a few more things. Next one is all about you have to go to your Google Chrome. Now go over here. Now we need to search here for one thing called DirectX download. You have to search here for this. So that is going to take you to the Microsoft Store. So go over here in the DirectX. Now from here you have to click on the download. So what happens is that is going to take you to this. Now what happens, it is successfully downloaded. So we have to run this on a computer and we have to install this on a computer over here. So right click. So just install this particular one. Go for yes. This is very important. So just wait for the installation to get. Go to I accept the agreements and terms over here. Go to next. Make sure that you uncheck the install the Bing bar here and go for the next. And this will be installed on a computer. This is very important. This is very important. So just wait for the installation to get completely done. Once you're done with this one, what you need to do is we have to move to the next one. That is all about the next one. Once it's successfully done, let this get complete in between. So what I'll do is I'll move to the next one. After installing this particular one, still if you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here in the Google Chrome. Go over here to another browser and over here we have to search for something called DLL file. So you just need to search here DLL_files.com. This is actually a website that most of us might be knowing this. This is actually one of the greatest website. Now from here you have to search for the issue that you're facing. So I'm facing the issue with VC runtime 140.dll. So I have to go for the search. Now once it get into this, you have to scroll it down over here, click on this one. So that is going to take you to the official site over here. So over here, as you can see, if you scroll it down, we have a lot of things. So as you can see, this is for the users with architecture x32 based one. But most of us might be on architecture 64. So try downloading this one. This was around 52.2 KB. Once you download this, you have to install it on a computer and you have to check. After this, in the between, this will be completely done. So you have to finish this and just wait. And also we have one more step that remains here. As you can see, like I said, this is going to take a little bit of time. So once this is completely done, we have to type one more command, copy paste from the description. That is called SFC scan now. So I'll be given that in the description. You have to run it. Once after all these things are successfully done, most probably they should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye.